Down the steps. Right. Welcome to Casa Bamboo. Yes. I'm gonna show you guys the front of the house first. This is the first master bedroom. That's Lindsay Sheena. And then this is the first bathroom. We come in here. Let me turn on the light. Come in here. So as you can see, that's one of the showers. This is the first bathroom attached to the first bedroom. I'll turn back off the light. Then they have the double closets. And then I'm gonna go through this door. Come with me. Second bedroom, which has 2 beds, double closet space, and a safe. And it goes into this bathroom. And it also leads out into the pool, out to the out deck. All right. So, and then this is the first level kitchen living area. So it's like where we could chill out. Those sliding doors also lead out to the front. And of course they have Costa Rica's famous saying, pura vida. And this is the first kitchen area. There is more upstairs, which I'm gonna show you in a second. But this place is awesome. Then this is a guest bathroom. So this is the second bathroom on this level. Okay. And as you can see, pura vida is everywhere. All right, now let's head upstairs. So we're gonna go back through. Second bedroom. I'm actually gonna go this way. And we're gonna go up these steps. This house has a second floor.
So I hope you got the book for start British now.
Oh, I don't know. So this is the second level deck. All right, this is the master up here. Has a king size bed with like a ton of closet space. And oh, the closets themselves also are lighted, which is great. Let's step into this bathroom. They have like a little welcome sign and a rainfall shower head. And of course, okay. This is another guest bathroom. This is the second living area. You can see, and the second kitchen. Okay. Let's see if I can find the, like a nice little bar area. This is the second bedroom up here. And it also leads out onto the deck. This is a king size. And that is the tour. I'm gonna go jump in the jacuzzi.